Good evening, all. With CVK sir, as he told, I found the best version of myself because of him, and I was more oriented towards exams learning. Like I have to win this exam, I have to clear this exam, and later on, getting into CVK sir, Ullah sir's teaching. Later, I found that more than winning exam, how to try understanding the concept, as he told, living with the concepts, and that has changed my way of thinking and. After learning concepts and living with concepts, then I got the satisfaction of what I'm learning. Physics, it's very hard, mostly for the NEET students. They find it difficult. So what I was missing was physics and the concepts. Ulla sir has shown the like the how to learn the concepts, and he taught one of the best concepts. Still, I'm remembering so many things, and still I'm teaching to a few government schools kids like the physics only because the concept he has taught is still in my mind, and the notes I have made from him. Those are the nice times he used to share it in Notability, the PDFs, and still I have all the PDFs and I refer to it, and those are the best notes I have ever. And for physics, so for physics, just learn the concepts. The best you learn the concepts, you can apply to any questions and any exam. Till J Advance, you can go and crack it. It's all about the concepts, which Ulla sir sure will teach you all. And coming on to chemistry, physical, inorganic, and organic. Physical, it's same like physics. You learn the concept, practice a lot of questions from the right question bank. The CVK sir notes, it's more than sufficient. Uh, in fact, the best, like each and every line he utters from his mouth is important. That one, that try learning it and writing it down, pen it down. Vishal sir, I had only 1 week for my 12th board exam. I have not touched the NCRT book, and he had helped me and the maths subject, all the concepts he has taught me, and within 1 week I was able to pass the exam, and I cannot forget that. And it was all because of Vishal sir. He taught me nicely, and I was able to pass it with good marks. And thank you.